was looking at the scanner on August 1st earlier this evening, and I noticed that the Aussie New Zealand on the 1 hour, the daily, and the 4 hour had all ones for the breakout one trade. So I took a look at the Aussie New Zealand on the 4 hour time frame, and I'll show you what I saw. This is the 4 hour time frame, and if you look at our trend indicator over here, we see the middle row is the current time frame, which is the 4 hour. The top row is the daily, and the bottom row is one time frame lower, or the hourly. Now, as soon as all of these dots turn from red to white, that tells me that we are at a significant turning point. And we see the purple arrow, and we would see the purple arrow on all three time frames. So I entered a buy trade. We also had confirmation on a lower time frame of a trend line break trade based on our automatic trend lines. I entered a buy trade and I set my profit target up here. Let's see what happens. Hello again. It's the following day, 12 hours later. This is the daily chart. I'm going to start with the daily chart, and we can see we have a strong green candle moving up. Our trade entry is the dotted green line. Our stop is below the low with this purple arrow, and then our profit target is up here. We also developed two trend lines overnight, and that means that once these trend lines trigger, meaning the daily candle closes above them, it will trigger some buys, and it's quite possible that this trade can even move up to this level. If in fact price moves into the daily wave, this is the daily wave, then in fact on the 4 hour price will indeed go up to this tunnel area. Let's move down to the 1 hour chart. We've already reached the tunnel on the 1 hour chart, so this is a good level to take half your profits. I've taken half of my profits here, and I would be now looking, now I'm going to reevaluate, and I am going to look for the next higher time frame tunnel and trail my stop. So I'm actually going to move this profit target to here. And because that's the 4 hour chart. If we go down to the 1 hour, we've already met the first target here. And let me just see if I can zoom out a little bit for you. So the next target is going to be up here. This is the higher time frame target right up here. And I've already taken half of my profits. I will now trail my stop on the second half. So let's see what happens. So we took the trade. We took half of our profits over here. I didn't trail my position like I said because I didn't look at my trade. I just left it. And then look what happened. So had I looked at my trade, I might have seen this sideways price action, and I might have moved my stop up to this level because we had the sideways market price action. I didn't, and I did get stopped out at break even on that second half, and then price did move up again, and then we made a new low. So that was this trade. It's really, really important to set your stop loss, to set your profit targets, to have a view for where price is going to eventually go so that you hit your targets and then you can manage the rest of the trade by moving the stop loss position. So this is all based on the Wavy Tunnel Pro program. If you are interested in joining us, please go to wavytunnelpro.com. Thank you very much.